China's first fully solar-powered unmanned aerial vehicle Qimingxing-50 or Star-50 has successfully completed its maiden test flight with all onboard systems functioning optimally. It is a large machine powered entirely by solar panels and has wingspan of 164 ft. The high altitude, long endurance, HAL, UAV can stay airborne for long durations. It flies above 20 km altitude where there is stable airflow with no clouds. This helps these drones to make the maximum use of solar equipment to stay functional for extended durations. The drone can operate in near space 20 km to 100 km above the Earth's surface, making it capable of carrying out satellite-like functions. It is capable of conducting high-altitude reconnaissance, apart from monitoring forest fires, providing communication and environment relay. Let us know your thought on this in the comment box.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.